Hello to all of you wherever you are in the world, from the architectural marvel that is the Fußball Arena, München. I'm Peter Drury, and joining me here, our expert, Jim Beglin.
Thanks for the intro, Peter. I've been soaking up the atmosphere, and I'm really looking forward to what lies in store.
So the players and officials stand tall for the anthem. Now the lineups for the game. And we're underway. Götze. Thrust towards the front line. There will be a throw-in. Deftly done. Oh, he's managed to get himself offside.
Just a little more precision, and that longer pass and run in behind will come off very nicely. The understanding is very good, but the execution can't quite match up. Not yet, at least.
Ball's loose, who's getting there? Can he put it away? And he's there to make a great save.
Oh, much more than a routine save for me, and yet he just coped with room to spare.
Is it in? Oh, that was close.
Well, this is how to grab a game by the scruff of its neck. Front foot football with real intent.
And back to base. He's made sure that that won't get through. Now the pass. Mario Götze tried to play it through.
Yeah, and it was a case of good awareness too. That wasn't quite matched by the right weight of pass. It only needed just a little bit more behind it, and he was through.
Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Can he find a finish now?
It's unusual not to see him make the keeper work. I mean, his accuracy from that type of area is so often better. It's been such a promising start. These early attempts have really set the tone for this game. That's how you approach it.
That is wayward.
Look, they haven't had that many shooting opportunities against this defence, but along with some patience now, they need to find a bit more invention and craft.
First quarter of an hour gone. No goals as yet. And it's Salah. Mohamed Salah. Out for a throw. Tries a through ball. Has he picked him out? Deflected behind for a corner kick. Goalkeeper's ball. It's a good-looking cross with a delicate ball. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Chance to shoot. Oh, and they really should have been made to pay. And it's been taken short. Tries the route one option. Looks to thread it through. Defence has got rid of that. Tries lifting it over. He's gone for it! Aimed long and direct. Aimed forward. Looks to dink one in. Tries to get it forward quickly. Van Dijk. Gets it back. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And the referee has shown him a yellow card. Gets up to head it! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, I can only add that he's got reflexes that are in perfect working order, Peter. That was very good to watch.
Goes long and forward. He's looking to get there first. Keeps everyone guessing. Ball driven towards the far post. He's going to have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. Now it's Mohamed Salah. He's had a go! Oh, great save, real class.
He made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
Into the channel. Crosses it in low. It's in!
And for such a big name in your side to register very close to the break, not only creates a real buzz in your dressing room during the break, but dispirits the opposition too, and sets up a decent chance to go on and finish this game to their liking now. Look, there just wasn't much of a gap to begin with, and to find it, I think it was a fine drive, and I don't think the keeper could have really planned for that. I think he's a bit unlucky in that instance.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
And the whistle goes for half-time.
Not the most convincing of displays. They could certainly do much better than this. They'll want to keep things simple, build up their confidence, and not rush into mistakes.
And we're off again.
Eintracht Frankfurt need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution, and I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
Pumps it upfield. Oh, good interception. Keeper's got good distance on that. It's a good run down the right. Where could this lead? Another piece of really good defending. Nothing wrong with that tackle. Ball won cleanly. Sticks in a foot to win it back. No, he's not played the ball, that's a foul. Shapes the shoots. Going for goal. Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Well, it was far from high caliber, Peter, and when you're shooting from that position, it needs to be just that, high caliber.
Out to the left it goes. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Van Dijk passes it through. A chance! He's got the ball glued to his feet. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. And he's going to have his name taken. Well, the protest continues, but in the end they are defending the indefensible.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he? And just look at the keeper. He's really busy trying to get as much protection in place as he possibly can.
Mario Götze, ready to try one. Götze! It's a loose ball. Götze goes for a sweeping cross. And the defence can get it clear.
That's good defence, plain and simple, good defence. They refuse to allow a turn.
Mario Götze. Who's going to make this theirs? Looks like a good ball through. He comes flying in! Great effort, he flew in with courage.
And he attacked that ball with real conviction. Just such a pity about the end result. They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Looks to slip it through. Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. And it's Götze. Mohamed Salah floats one over. Shoots! And the follow-up! He's done very well to get to that.
That wasn't the easiest of saves by any means, Peter, and I think his instincts were, well, they were just razor sharp.
Oh, that's a waste. Van Dijk. Tries a through ball. Spoon forward. Your impression so far, Jim?
Eintracht Frankfurt are not doing enough to get themselves back in the game. They're not as threatening as their opposition. It's got to change.
Mario Götze plays it out to the wing. Deep cross. And back out it comes. Well, that's not the cross he had in mind. Oh, he's come flying in. No complaints about that challenge. Robust, but fair. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Well, he's a source of potential trouble, so tight marking just has to be done.
Van Dijk. The ball has crossed the line, and it's a throw.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
Mohamed Salah. Now the pass. Ball's gone out of play. Sweet feet. Passes it through. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. Salah. Looks like a good ball through. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Promising cross. The final whistle. So it ends 1-0, an enthralling game and an agonisingly narrow defeat.
Listen, they had plenty of time to overcome the setback, but for me, they never quite had enough adventure in their play to get back into that one.
My thanks to Jim. We both wish you a very good evening.